Hello guys, it's me, Aydin Ismayilpur, in a series of Learn Vocabulary Step by Step. Today we've got a nice word. It is a port. Not a seaport, not an airport. In IT, information technologies, a port means entry or entrance to a device. For example, on this laptop, we have got an AUX port, which we use for earphones or headphones, basically for audio. And the other side, on this laptop, we've got Type-C, two of Type-C Thunderbolt ports. And we use these ports for basically materials, to exchange materials, and also battery. And we've got different types of ports as well. For example, HDMI ports that help us to connect a data projector and a device. So 1 or 2 times practicing, of course you'll get it done.